Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will discuss about the chapter 4 of economics, globalization and the Indian economy. It's the second part of the video. In this video, we will discuss trade barrier, liberalization, World Trade Organization (WTO), and the impact of globalization in India. So let's start. Trade barriers, or what are trade barriers? If any tax or any other form of restrictions that is imposed on the import of goods into a country is called a trade barrier. If any country imposed any taxes or restrictions, that is trade barrier. Trade barriers are imposed for regulating the inflow of foreign goods in the domestic market, for safeguarding the local producers from foreign competition. India, after independence or after 1947, had imposed trade barriers and allowed import of only essential commodities or essential goods to give protection to the upcoming industries. What is liberalization? It stands for the removal of trade barriers imposed by the government of a nation. Liberalization opens up the economy of a nation to foreign trade. India liberalized its economy in 1991. World Trade Organization or WTO, what the work of WTO and when it was started or founded. It is an organization under the United Nations. It was established in 1995 under the Bretton Woods system. About 150 countries are its members, and its aim at liberalizing international trade. It is based in favor of the developed countries, or it favored only for the developed countries. Now come on the next part, that is impact of globalization in India. Consumers now have better choices of products at cheaper prices. Foreign direct investment (FDI) by MNCs had increased in India, which has resulted in creation of new job opportunities for Indians. Addition in the foreign exchange reserves of the country, prosperity of local industries supplying raw materials to MNCs. Indian markets have expanded manifold. Introduction of new technology in the industrial sector in India. Some Indian companies have gained the status of multinationals themselves. Just an example, Infosys, Tata, Renvexi, etc. Service industry has witnessed a flip, like call centers, engineering services, accounting, etc. It has negatively affected the small enterprises that faced stiff competition from large MNCs.